everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of an ancient remedy that's still widely used today, castor oil. If you've ever wandered down the natural health aisle, chances are you've seen this oil and wondered about its uses. Well, let's get into it. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been used for thousands of years. But what exactly can it do for you? First off, let's talk benefits. Castor oil is famed for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a fantastic choice for skincare. Applying it to your skin can help reduce acne, treat wrinkles, and soothe dry skin. It's also widely used to boost hair growth, thanks to its ricinoleic acid that helps increase scalp circulation. But it's not just for external use. When taken orally, castor oil acts as a powerful natural laxative. It's often recommended as a quick solution for occasional constipation. However, this is where we need to exercise caution. While castor oil can be beneficial, it's crucial not to overdo it. Excessive use, especially when ingested, can lead to unpleasant side effects like abdominal cramps, diarrhea, and dehydration. Always start with smaller doses and consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Now, how should you use castor oil safely? For skincare, simply apply a small amount to the affected area. For hair care, massage a few drops into your scalp and through your hair, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, then wash it out. As a laxative, follow the dosage guidelines. Usually a teaspoon on an empty stomach is a good starting point. To wrap it up, castor oil is a versatile and potent natural remedy when used correctly. Whether it's enhancing your skin, boosting your hair growth, or relieving constipation, it has something to offer. Just remember to use it responsibly and listen to your body. If you're ever in doubt, talk to a professional. That's all for today's deep dive into castor oil. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.